Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the gear and positioning quickly. First, enable macro mode or attach a macro lens. This changes focus behavior and magnification. Once done, bring the camera to about 0.5 meters or closer and stabilize it with a tripod or by bracing your arms. Make sure to use continuous autofocus so small adjustments track movement. Also, switch to low ISO and add diffused light at roughly a 45 degrees angle to avoid harsh shadows. These steps make sharp close-ups achievable right away. Now you move into precise control of focus and exposure, which is the core of macro work. Switch to manual focus or enable focus peaking. Then nudge the focus ring in tiny increments because depth of field is razor thin. At the same time, stop down to f/8 f/16 to extend that depth of field and adjust shutter speed or ISO to keep exposure correct. If highlights or shadows become harsh, add a reflector or fill light and use exposure compensation to fine-tune the balance. Finish the shot with steady execution and a quick troubleshooting check. Use a remote trigger or a 2-second timer to eliminate camera shake and bracket exposures so you have options. Once you have a candidate, inspect the magnified preview, and if needed, shoot a focus stack series to combine multiple focal planes later. If images still look soft, verify the lens is clean, confirm you're in the correct AF or manual focus mode, and temporarily disable vibration reduction. These fixes solve most macro failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.